Okay guys, I was just going to show you how to fix your horn on this Beta cross trainer. It's a 2022, but obviously any Beta will work. Now you're wondering, why do you need your horn where you're out in the trails? Well, actually it helps a lot because my buddies are riding ahead and they can't hear me, so I beep the horn to try to get their attention. Otherwise I'm yelling my brains out. No, we don't have comm systems, or I don't actually, but anyway, it's a quick fix. First you want to just see obviously if it works. The horn switch typically works, that doesn't break that often, and then you can see where your horn is right down in here. So the first thing to do is it's got to be running, so try it when it's trying to hit the horn, and then just whack it with a screwdriver a little bit. Play with these, make sure the wires are connected obviously, and then you can dial that screw in and out. That little screw kind of changes the tone of the horn and sometimes will bring her back to life. If she's loose, sometimes they don't reverberate very well, so check that. And then if that fails, you're going to check your voltage with your voltmeter. So that's the quick and dirty fix. And then just to pull this headlight off, it's just a couple straps. I just did this, so let me put my voltmeter down before I break it. But you're just going to want to pull this headlight off. You just kind of finagle it off. It's not too bad. These little straps are kind of handy and fast. They just stretch over that. There you go. Pop these, and then your headlight. It's got these two pegs down here that go into the fender. They're kind of mated in like this. So you just got to lift it. So slide it out. See if I can back this up a little bit. Lift it up. You got to kind of tilt it back because that headlight jams against the wires. You don't want to break those wires. So try to get some clearance there, and then there you go. You can see the little holes and the little teeth, fangs go in. So now you're accessing it. You got an 8mm right here. And I'm going to put a link to this horn. My horn was dead. This one fits perfectly. It's a small horn. It's a 65mm, I believe, diameter. And it actually has the exact same little bolt pattern with the correct little nubby hole to fit perfectly. So this is on a Beta 22 Beta cross trainer, and I'm sure it's similar to other Betas, but I popped that horn in there, started it up, hit the button, I got a horn. So it's that simple. I hope that helps you guys. Just hit me up if you have any questions. Appreciate any likes and subscribes, and I will put the link to that horn down there because it's a perfect fit and it's quite loud. Thanks. I'll play it for you real quick. Hang on. Let me fire this thing up. Make sure it's not in gear. Hang on. There you go. Here we go. Ready? Shoot it right in your ear. There you go. All right. There you go, guys. Talk to you later. Appreciate it. Take care.